There's a new art exhibit at the Scale House Collaborative in Bend. Artist Elif Koyoturk presents her Nature Luminescence within the human spirit. It explores the connections between nature and the human spirit through photography. The artist hopes each picture invites viewers to contemplate the seen, but also the unseen. Originally from Istanbul, Turkey, Elif draws inspiration from Mother Nature.
I really love the idea of adding a movement to every imagery that I make, because life is a moving imagery. This second changed the other second. We're never going to live it again. Like, how can you express that distortion and then bridge that with a person's personal journey, that the audience, that is the looker. That's why I always add that twirl and little warp, and I do that with different photography techniques to capture those.
Again, that's the Scale House Collaborative, which is located at Franklin Crossing in downtown Bend. The exhibit will be open through July 20th.
I'm intrigued. I think I'm going to go check that out.
Yeah, it seems like a great time.
That is, what intrigues me is the luminescence within the human spirit.
But the seen or the unseen? Which
both.
one's?
Okay. She's captured both. I'm going to go see that.